In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing or working in Windows 10 or 11. Firstly, open Command Prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt, type ping 127.0.0.1 and press enter. If you receive a reply, your hardware is fine and we need to focus on the Windows operating system. Next, ensure your Wi-Fi key or airplane mode isn't accidentally enabled. Click on your keyboard for any Wi-Fi related keys and make sure they're not disabled. If these aren't these issues, proceed with the following steps. Check WLAN autoconfig service. Click on your Windows Surf and type services. Open and scroll down to the WLAN autoconfig. Double-click on it and ensure the startup type is set to automatic and the service status is running. If it's not running, click on Start. If it is, click on Stop, then restart again. Then click Apply and OK. Next, right-click on the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters, and if you don't see Wi-Fi adapter, click on View from the top menu and select Show Hidden Devices. Check if your Wi-Fi adapter appears, and if it doesn't, click Action, then scan for hardware changes. If your Wi-Fi adapter appears, that is, but it's still not working, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Disable Device, then enable it again. If that doesn't work, right-click again and select Uninstall Device, then restart your computer to reinstall it. Lastly, you can update your Wi-Fi drivers, and if you don't have a LAN connection, try performing with power drain. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.